today's video, I'm going to be talking about what happens when your YouTube video goes viral. Why, hello there. I'm super duper excited for this video because honestly, social media and sharing tips about social media is my passion. I've been obsessed with YouTube and trying to figure out how this freaking platform works and how Instagram works, but mostly YouTube, for like 10 years. And so I'm going to share my tips with you on what happens when a video goes viral. So basically, I've never had a video that's went like on the trending page and got like a billion views or anything like that, but for my channel to have, I think I have 2,700 subscribers at right now when I'm making this video, and I have 2 videos that are over 90,000 views and 1 video that is over 56,000 views. So if you're a small channel like mine, you would know that it is not very common to have 90,000 views when you only have 2,700 subscribers. So those are my videos that went viral. I have one video that is sitting at 99,000 views, and that is such a tease. It's literally been sitting at 99,463 views or something like that for like a year. And I'm just like, can't you just go to 100,000 so I can have my first video at 100,000? But of course not. And then my second video it hit 91,000, and that was today that it hit 91,000. It was a video I posted called Dear Shane Dawson, and I posted that like 3 weeks ago. And that was my second video to hit over 90,000. And then, yeah, I have a video that is sitting at 56,000 and a couple other videos that are high scoring, but I'm just going to talk about mainly like the 2 videos that are over 90,000 and what happens when your video goes viral on YouTube. So if you're interested in that, make sure to stick around. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jordan Jonas Sparks, and I am a YouTuber, a jack of all trades, master of absolutely nothing. So if you want to check out my other videos, I do like covers and mukbangs and makeup tutorials and vlogs and all sorts of stuff. I don't really stick to one kind of thing. But anyways, so my first video that went viral was a video about season 6 or 7 of Dance Moms. I don't really remember. And my second video that went viral, like I said, was Dear Shane Dawson. So basically, the first time my video went viral, I hadn't even been on YouTube in like a few days at least to check my notifications. It was like over a year ago, like just over a year ago now. And I was just at the point where I was starting to take my YouTube channel like super seriously. I was like, okay, my lighting needs to be on point. I need to invest in a good camera. I need to like think about the sound quality. I need to be making videos that have the greatest value to viewers and stuff like that. So I was like doing all this research and going hardcore and trying to make the best YouTube channel that I possibly could. And at that point I was also working full time, and to me that meant making like 1 video a week if I could, and sometimes I barely even made that. So I never expected to get any comments. I had barely any subscribers at the time, and I never had any comments or notifications to respond to, so I wasn't exactly checking my notifications on YouTube every day. And so that being said, when I found my video was starting to get views, it was already at like 50,000 views or something like that. And in that video, I got such an influx of hate. So it depends really on what your video is going to be about, what you're going to experience in the comments. But basically, you will get a giant influx of comments, and you're going to get a lot of thumbs up, a lot of thumbs down, and you're going to get a lot of opinions and a micro analysis of you, basically. And this might be the first time you've ever got this or like been under the microscope this way, but people will comment on literally everything when your first video goes viral. And obviously, any videos that get tons of views, people are going to comment anything, but especially once your videos are going viral and they have a lot of views, people don't check the subscribers, and regardless of how many subscribers you have, you're still a person, but people don't really think of that. I feel like when they see a large number of views, they're like, oh, I can say anything because this person's not actually going to feel it, or they're not actually going to see my comment. But if you're a small YouTuber like me, you're going to see every single comment. And if you have one video that's ever gone viral in your entire life, then you're going to read through every single comment probably. So I read through every single comment. But that being said, in that video, I had a clickbait title that was something along the lines of Mackenzie is returning to Dance Moms for season 7 or something like that. Or is Mackenzie returning? I don't remember what the title was, but something about Mackenzie returning to Dance Moms, and I answered that in the video, but Mackenzie is not, she never returned to Dance Moms. This was after Maddie and Mackenzie quit, if you follow Dance Moms, I don't know. But after Mackenzie and Maddie quit, they're not coming back. But I addressed that in the video, but now it's kind of a gray area what exactly is clickbait and what is good, healthy YouTube creator titles and just good, respectful, professional form and etiquette to be a content creator in 2018. But I know now, and I've since changed the title and changed the thumbnail so it's not clickbait, it's just like a normal title addressing what's in the video and then a picture of my face in the video, because there's so much hate for the clickbait. And at this point in time, it's like, if you look at every big YouTuber, they all use clickbait. Clickbait is not necessarily a bad thing as long as you are... Basically, I don't see clickbait as a bad thing, and let me know what your opinion is, or if you're a content creator too, let me know what your opinion is on this. As long as your clickbait is drawing the viewer to your video and you are actually discussing what is in the title, or the title is actually true, but it might be over sensationalized or something like that, or it might be slightly misleading, or it might just draw you in, but as long as you actually address that in the video, then I don't see there being anything wrong with clickbait. If you don't have a very appealing, catching thumbnail and title, nobody is going to see your video. That's just honest truth, especially in 2018. There is a bajillion videos out there. There's something like 100,000 hours worth of video footage uploaded to YouTube every minute or something like that. So that's what you have to compete with. Don't quote me on that number, but it's like a giant number of hours of footage that are uploaded to YouTube every single minute of every day. So you have to compete with all of that. But basically, I just want to let you guys know like what I used as a thumbnail, what I used as a title. All of my tags were stuff like Dance Moms Season 6, Dance Moms Season 7, is Mackenzie coming back to Dance Moms, when is Dance Moms coming back on TV, things like that. They all had to do with the actual video, so it would help people that were searching for that find the video. That being said, I'm sure the video probably was going viral because it was the off season from Dance Moms and everybody's searching and everybody's wondering if their favorite Mackenzie is coming back to Dance Moms, and everybody's wondering when is the new season going to start, so everybody is searching that, so that helps the video get trending. But that being said, I will make an entire other video if you guys are interested on what makes a video go viral. But yeah, I got a ton of thumbs down, a ton of hate for the clickbait. Like the most scathing things, like people will hate on you for everything personal about you if you use a little bit of clickbait or anything like that. But that video got a lot of hate, and it didn't really earn me any subscribers and stuff like that. So let's just jump into the next video that went viral. I posted a few weeks ago, and I was a little bit more prepared this time. I saw this video was garnering attention as it was happening, and this time I kind of was prepared to take the next steps knowing that this video was going viral. And I can also make another video on what to do when your video goes viral to make sure that you get the most success out of it that you can, if you guys are interested in that. But basically this video was regarding some rumors that went out about Shane Dawson. I'm not going to go into it, but basically, I made a video that was just saying all of the great things about Shane Dawson and some great things that he's doing at the time. And the video was called just Dear Shane Dawson. And then I think in the thumbnail I was going like this. It was just a picture of me. But again, everybody was searching for Shane Dawson drama, or like everybody was aware of that drama at the time. That's probably why the video got viewed. But this video, the reception was much better because I was not using such a crappy form of clickbait, like using a picture of Mackenzie Ziegler as my thumbnail. I'm pretty sure that that would actually get like flagged in YouTube in 2018. That's like against the rules. And but yeah, it was just saying Dear Shane Dawson, and my video was an open letter to Shane Dawson, so it wasn't really clickbait or anything like that. It was literally a letter to Shane Dawson, and I was hoping that he would eventually see it, and I don't know if that actually happened. My knuckle just cracked, if you were wondering what that sound was. I don't know if he ever saw the video or anything like that. But yeah, it was just a picture of me. I guess people were interested in that thumbnail and that title, and everybody had Shane Dawson on their mind, I guess, at the moment. But with that video, because it wasn't as severe clickbait, everybody was supporting Shane in that video, and I've actually never seen so much love on my channel ever. That video has like 2,600 or something like that thumbs up, so that's absolutely insane. The other video, which has even more views, has nowhere near that many thumbs up and way more thumbs down, just in case you're wondering. So yeah, what happens when your video goes viral really depends on what the content is of your video. If you are a troll and you are trolling, you can definitely expect to get some hate. If you are spreading love and positivity into the world and it is completely authentic, then you will probably receive some love and support on your video like I did. Everybody was hashtagging I stand with Shane on my video in the comments, and I didn't even ask for that. That's just literally all of Shane's fans that are going around and supporting him on all the other videos like that one, and they were all commenting that, so that was absolutely amazing. And everybody that seemed to be interested in me subscribed to my channel, and that's not a ton of people, just so you know. Just to give you an idea, I think I probably gained like 2 subscribers from the first video that went viral, literally only 2, and that was 99,400 views. So I wouldn't expect to gain a lot of followers. This might be different case by case basis. Your video might go viral and you might get a ton of people to subscribe. I don't know what the formula is for that or how that occurs, but for me it didn't happen. And then for the video Dear Shane Dawson that I made, I got a few hundred subscribers, I think, from that video, but I literally commented back to every single person. I replied to everybody, and literally everybody that commented on those videos, and I thanked everybody for checking out my channel. I thanked everybody for supporting Shane Dawson, and a lot of people decided to in turn support me and my channel, and thank you. Hello, all of you guys that are here in this video from coming to my channel because you saw me first at that Dear Shane Dawson video, so hello. And yeah, so if your video is great, if you are being authentic and genuine, you can probably expect to have some more new subscribers, especially if you are responding or replying to everybody and being a nice person. And if you have value to add to people's lives, then that will help with people subscribing if your video goes viral. Yeah, you'll get lots of hate. You can expect lots of hate. It's nothing too severe. Like, you need to have a thick skin for sure to be on YouTube, but just keep in mind, keep everything that people say with a grain of salt on this platform. There's lots of people that are literally on this platform just to try and bring others down. And that being said, there's so many other people that are just on this platform to help bring other people up and spread light and be optimistic and positive and beacons of wonderful love to all of you and everyone on this platform. So those are the people that I absolutely love and adore and feel blessed to have on my channel. And yeah, so lots of comments, lots of hate. You might get some subscribers, you might not. What else can you expect? Your video views may freeze. It's just YouTube, like it might be for a couple hours, it might be for a day or something. It's just YouTube, like making sure to find out that those views are analyzed and that they are real views and not from like a bot or anything like that. What else? Nobody from my 2 videos that went viral, nobody really like went to go see any of my other videos. Some people did when I asked them to. I was like, hey, did you want to check out this video? You might like it if you liked this Dance Moms video. But other than that, nobody specifically like checked out any of my other videos. So I would say that YouTube probably doesn't suggest your older content if you only have like one video go viral. It's more so like what your next video is after that. And if it's related to the video that went viral, then YouTube will probably suggest it and you'll probably get some more views on that video. But, yeah, I guess that is probably it. I can't think of what else to tell you guys. Yeah, I wouldn't expect that if your video goes viral, even at 100,000 views or 1 million views, I wouldn't expect that to equal a giant subscriber increase. People subscribe to your channel because they really love you personally or because you add some value to their life or you have something that you can teach them. So if they just happen to click on your video and it was entertaining or something, they might not subscribe just because of that. So don't like be too disappointed if you have a video go viral and your subscriber number doesn't just like spike through the roof as well. And yeah, like I said, you will get a lot of hate probably, regardless of whether you are making a great video and you're sweet and nice and everything. There's still going to be haters, so just be prepared for that and don't take it too personally. And you'll probably get a lot of love and support as well, and a lot of sweet compliments and all of those kinds of things if you have a video go viral. And yeah, I wouldn't be worried about like being a meme or like, oh my god, I can't go out public anymore, like people saw this YouTube video and it was so embarrassing. Like I've never been recognized in public or anything like that, so you have nothing to worry about that way, unless you were like, what's her face that went on the Dr. Phil show? I can't even think of her name anymore, which is probably good, and I'm just gonna forget what her name is. And if you remember who she is, like Bad Baby, whatever that's what she wants to be called now, then you can leave it in the comments. But you don't want to be a meme like that, so try and make your content authentic and lovely. But yeah, that is, I guess, it for this video. I hope that it was insightful and let you guys in on what it's like to have a video go viral. And if you would like me to follow up this video with what you should do when your video goes viral to make sure that you get the best support and channel spiking, because you can get up to like 10 times the growth on your channel in a big spike if you have one video go viral and you do take the correct steps and action to follow up with that. And I could also do a video on what makes your video go viral, like how you can create a viral video. And obviously this isn't going to guarantee that every video goes viral, but there are certain things that you can do to optimize your videos to have a much better chance at YouTube suggesting them and them blowing up and getting 99,000 views. And in the meantime, if you're watching this video and you want to help my channel, please share this channel with your friends. Please share this video with your friends if you think that it would be useful to them, if you know any other content creators. And if you want to help me get my freaking video, that one video that's stuck at 99,000, to hit 100,000, just so that I can achieve a personal goal here on the Sparkly family, then you should go check out my popular uploads, and all of my viral videos will be there. And that is, I guess, it for this video. If you are not yet already subscribed to the Sparkly family, I welcome you in with lots of love and lots of glitter. And you can do that by just pressing the red subscribe button. And if you want to hit the bell shape or beauty blender shaped notification, then you will be notified every single time that I post a video, because you would not want to be lost in the sea of videos and 1 million hours of footage uploaded every minute so that you never find me again. And as always, make sure to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly. And I will talk to you guys all later. See you later. Bye.